Continuing with Devabhasha, how do you play Devabhasha? Today, in this video, we are going to take a look at how do you use the maroon diamond card. The maroon diamond represents belongs to. We'll show you what that means in the next couple of minutes. It's quite simple, really. So if you see the earlier sentence was a star, diamond and a circle, and we typically say our simple sentence is star, red diamond, circle, or star, yellow diamond, circle. What we have done here is we have added a maroon card to this sentence. A maroon diamond is added to the sentence. So just to recap, subject, object, verb was the earlier sentence. And now we have a maroon diamond that's going to be fitted into this sentence. This is the original combination, the C3 combination, starting with subject, object and verb. Now what we are going to do is we are going to add a maroon diamond into this sentence, and what you will notice here, the addition of the maroon diamond can be inserted without making a grammatical error. The grammatical logic of the sentence does not change. So in that earlier sentence, we are going to insert a maroon card. All Prathama cards, as you notice, have a maroon diamond in them. As you can see in the Anujaha card, the maroon diamond there is Anujasya. However, in this sentence, we will be inserting a different card. Here, we have inserted the word Maharagni, and we will be using the maroon version of Maharagni, which is Maharajnyaha. That depicts that it belongs to the Maharani. This is how the sentence reads now. Anujaha Maharajnyaha Upanetrena Patati, and so on. As you can see, with the insertion of this card, the grammatical integrity of the sentence is preserved and the sentence is read right. So as a player, you need not worry. You have a star, a yellow diamond and a circle, or a star, red diamond and a circle, and you have another star card in your hand, insert it, use the maroon and say, here is what it looks like. So Devabhasha's logic makes it extremely simple for you to be able to create sentences and make points. The sentences now read like this. They read exactly as they used to with the addition of the Maharajnyaha in between. That's pretty much it. And if you see it in English, it reads exactly the same with the addition of the fact that the objects now belong to the Maharani. Maharani speaks, Maharani is creeper. The same thing applies if you would use it with the star, red diamond and the circle. And as you can see, the sentence combination looks exactly the same with the addition of the Maharajnyaha right in between. And again, as you can see on the right side, the logical error and the right sentences also remain exactly the same as the earlier example. And in English, they look pretty much the same, like we said, with the depiction that the objects now belong to the Maharani. That's the only difference. So that's how you're going to use a maroon diamond in your sentence. Have a star, red diamond, circle, have a star, yellow diamond, circle, add a maroon diamond, and your sentence becomes longer and you gain more points. So that is Devabhasha for you. Collect cards, make sentences, gain points, and in the process, learn Sanskrit as well. Thank you.